Well, now that I've got my John Deere 3038E back out at the land here, I'm going to hook up this flail mower. This flail mower, I've got a love-hate relationship with it. When it's hooked up and working, it's pretty cool, but it's a real pain to hook up. I got to take my quick hitch off of my tractor because it's not quick hitch compatible, and then the hydraulic line, I don't know, it's a pain to hook up. But once we get her, it'll be good, and we can do a lot of good stuff with it. So now that I've got two tractors out here, my thought is, I got the 38 here. I'm just going to hook this up once at the beginning of the season, and then we'll probably just leave it on there pretty much all year. So then I don't have to hook it and unhook it, and then I can use my 4066R for all the other stuff I need to do. Bush hogging, box blading, spraying weeds, that kind of stuff. So let's see, we got to get, actually I should probably lower this so it's not so high off the ground. All right, there goes one. And this is always so fun. 1, 2, and there's the top. Oh man, I'm getting too old for this. This is heavy. Okay, this is the piece that's on my PTO shaft on that flail mower right now, and this is just a PTO shaft. So this would be like, yeah, this end goes on the PTO shaft. This end goes on your tractor. So right now, just pretend like this is my tractor's PTO. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Oh. Anyway, well, you get the idea. So this slides on there, locks into place. Now on the other end, you've got this pin. Whoops, pull that out to hook it up. This side has just a release. So this will be on the tractor. So when I pull the tractor up, take the PTO shaft, it just slides in and locks. Which way is the lock? This way. There. And then to get it off, you take that pin out and then you pull this side, and there we go. Now that's off. So I've already got this on the mower. I need to go put this on the tractor. All right, now let me get the tractor. Let's drive that over to the mower and we'll work on getting that hooked up. Of course, what would a day be without Trigger barking? Okay, I think that's good for now. Let's power that off. And let's try to get this hooked up here. Let's see, we got, all right, refresh my memory how all this goes. All right, so this is our top link. I think we should hook up the PTO shaft while everything is still easy to get to. All right, there's that. Now I need the pin. It's back on this side over here. All right, PTO shaft's hooked up. And Let's see if we can scoot this up. And of course, gotta have the machine running, I guess. Oop. Nope, now we're up too high. Good gravy. See what I mean? Love-hate relationship. It is just a pain to hook this thing up. Okay, there's one arm. Now let's see if we can get the other side. Well, that's awkward. Alright, we gotta go side link down. Down, down. Oh, there we go. Side 2 hooked up. Top link. We got our pins, and of course that's too short. I'm going to have to run that out a bit. Top link out. There. Okay, that's hooked up. Now all we got to do for the rest of this, just get our hydraulics. So let's relieve the hydraulic pressure on the hydraulic system over here. And then we got to hook up all these lines. So we'll go pull our caps off of our remotes. And let's see here. So we got one and two. I guess they're all zip tied together, so better grab them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are shorter. I think I'm going to run these underneath because they're kind of going to be in the way here. Yeah, that'll be better. All right. So we got 2 and 2. Make sure I got the right 2 together. 1, 2. That's that one. All right. Yes. So these are the shortest ones. So we'll put these in. Maybe on the bottom. Oh boy. Well, I think that's gonna work. Okay. There we go. 1 and 2. Oh man, now 3. Let's go this guy here, I guess. And 4. All right, PTO shaft, the arms, the hydraulics. I think we're good to go. That's it. So we should be hooked up. I gotta go wash my hands in my sink over there. Alright, we've got it hooked up. Let's test out the hydraulics. Now I've got three functions here. The top link and the side link are running off here. The third switch is one of those top two remotes we just hooked into. And then the other one is on the joystick. There's buttons on here. So let's give this a try. Okay, it tilts up. Alright, that's working like it's supposed to. Let's see about extending. You bet. Alright, that's working good. Now if we drop her down, looks like about right there. That's where we want to set our... Whoop! Let's go side link up a little bit. Up. There we go. Alright, now we should be riding on that. There's a roller on the back. Let me take you over here. So now it rides on that roller on the back and just kind of follows the train from there. So as you can see, it can do a nice side shift off the side of your tractor. So that's pretty nice for like mowing along the edges of the ponds or just a area off to the side that you can't reach or don't want to drive on. So that's pretty much it. So it's hooked up. I think we're ready to go do some mowing with it. We're gonna go give this mower a try. Got my helpers with me again today. I see some likely candidates for weeds here. Let's try chopping some of this down. First, this is on my monitor to give you an idea of what I can see on there. So we need to run the mower out. Okay, we're good there. And looks like we got to go up a bit. Looks like it sits on the ground good. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's get the RPMs lowered. Gauge the PTO. Give it a chance to wake up from winter here. Yeah, that worked pretty good. Stuff is thick too. Yeah, so that trimmed that up pretty good. I don't want to get too close to the edge because I don't want to tip over, but that certainly helps push some of those weeds back. So I think we're going to be doing some more of that today. It's just so nice out. Good day to sit in the tractor and get a little tractor time. Thanks for joining us here on Tractors Land and Shop Time. Give us a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when we're posting new content. And we'd just love to have you come along with us. Thanks a lot for joining us, everybody.